Under the umbrella of the Ministry of Health, Kuwait Center for Mental Health continues its campaign of mental health awareness for the month of May. The latest was a workshop designed for teachers and other school staff on how to deal with the pressures of work and how to detect psychological illness among students. Here is more on the workshop in this report by our correspondent Salim Al-Kindiri.
The workshop today, presented by Head of Mental Health Awareness Campaign Dr. Russell Bursley, focused on work pressure at schools.
One of the aims of this campaign is actually to be in touch with specific groups in order to help an early detection of psychiatric illnesses. And today's lecture, or today, let me say, workshop, it is actually very specific or special for the teachers in schools, all those who are working in schools, not necessarily to be teachers, because most of psychiatric illnesses starts in adolescence. And if we can detect these illnesses early, then we'll be able to help those patients far much better and let them get back to normal stream life as soon as possible. So if teachers, psychologists, social workers working in schools are aware about signs and symptoms of certain psychiatric illnesses, and they can detect these disorders early among school kids, then we will be able to provide those patients or those children with the best treatments and the best medical care. Especially at the moment, we have a whole unit that is specified for children's health and child psychiatry, if it's possible to call it in the medical term. And actually heads this unit Dr. Habib Al-Amiri. She is a Harvard graduate, and she is actually very enthusiastic in taking the issue of children's health to the maximum. So today's workshop, that is actually run by Dr. Russell Bursley, it is all directed toward educating those working in schools regarding early detection of psychiatric illnesses.
The aim of the workshop was to educate teachers and other staffs at schools on how to deal with work pressure and how to detect early stages of psychological illnesses among students.
I think it's about the pressure at school that every teacher has to encounter with every student. Of course, every student has different personality with different, abilities. So every teacher has to know how to deal with those students. So this course, I think, will help a lot all the teachers to decide how to get closer to those students, how to deal with them, and their personalities. That's it.
Hundreds of teachers from various schools participated in this workshop and received training certificate on how to manage and deal with work pressures. Mental health awareness campaign continue for the month of May. Today's workshop was designed for teachers and other employees that work at school to help them understand and manage work pressure. This is Salim Al-Kindiri reporting for the English News.